Here at Caprera, we truly believe that everyone should have access to good food, and that's why we select only the best artisan producers, and we make it easy for people to order direct from them.
What I wanted to do when I embarked into this project was to look at the way to make food which was more sustainable, more me.
It started about 11 years ago when I couldn't find the cereals that I was looking for to feed my goddaughter.
I'm a bit of a renewable energy fanatic, always thinking of trying to be sustainable.
If you keep something very, very simple, then you can taste each of the flavours.
Our motto is grown with pride and made with passion.
Food should be natural, and it should also come from as close to you as possible.
You can tell that whoever makes these products really enjoys doing it. I really do enjoy it.